dinosaur. Baby dinosaur is cracking out from its egg. Wow! It's very easy to draw. That's it. It has come out from its egg. Now, let's give colors to our baby dinosaur. Green. Violet. Yellow. Blue. Red. Purple. Brown. Let's draw some hearts. Wow, our baby dinosaur has turned more colorful. Now, let's add our glitters. So let's spread our glue with our plain brush. Green glitter. Spread the glue carefully with the edges. Violet glitter. Now let's blow out the extra glitters.
Wow! Wow!
Oh yes, it's very glittery. Now let's draw sand to give some beach vibes. There we can improve our creativity. Now our baby dinosaur is way more glittery, colorful and beautiful. Hope you enjoy!